In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily sync Trello and Asana with automated two-way updates. If you're someone who juggles between different project management tools, you know how challenging it can be to keep all your tasks consistent across platforms. That's where syncing comes in, streamlining your workflow and ensuring that everything remains up to date. In this guide, we'll focus on how to do this using Unito, a powerful tool designed to connect your apps seamlessly. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up or log in to Unito. If you're new to Unito, head over to their website and create an account. If you're already a user, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Unito dashboard, which is your command center for managing integrations between different tools. Next, look for the option to create a flow. This feature is essential for setting up the sync between your Trello and Asana. Click on Create Flow, and you'll begin the process of defining the specifics of your sync. Now you're going to select Trello as one side of the flow. Think of this as choosing Trello to be one of the two endpoints for your data. You can either search for Trello in the list or select it if it's displayed among other tools on the dashboard. Once you've chosen Trello, you'll move on to the next step. In this following step, you'll select Asana as the other side of the flow. This tells Unito that Asana will be the second endpoint for the sync. Again, find Asana in the tools list and select it. By doing this, you essentially set up the line of communication between Trello and Asana. Next up, you'll need to choose the specific boards in Trello and projects in Asana that you want to connect. This step ensures that only the relevant data is synchronized between the two platforms, which is particularly useful if you're managing multiple projects at once. Once your boards and projects are connected, it's time to configure field mappings. This step is where you decide how information from Trello corresponds to information in Asana, and vice versa. Take your time to map out fields such as task status, due dates, and assignees, ensuring a seamless transfer of data. After mapping your fields, proceed to set up flow rules and apply any necessary filters. These settings help you fine-tune your sync to meet specific needs, such as syncing only particular task types or excluding certain tags. Finally, make sure to turn on bidirectional sync. This feature allows changes made in either Trello or Asana to automatically reflect in the other, maintaining consistency. And there you have it. You've set up an automated two-way sync between Trello and Asana using Unito. This setup will reduce duplicated effort and ensure that your task management is ever so streamlined. Until next time, happy organizing!